in any and every work in the world is demand some attention from you. Every work you do, every relationship, every job demands some attention. If you are giving the attention, the enough attention, then your work will prosper. And if you are not giving that much of attention, you maybe fall down in any time. So but in life, if you totally depend on the giving attention towards the outside, and you don't look at in your inner being, or don't introspect, or don't inspect your own potentialities, own capabilities, own commandments, own or your own abilities, skills, then if sometime someone discards you, or the outer situation discards you, nullify you, or dismiss you, then in that situation the sky all of a sudden may fall on your head. So there you find no option left, because the whole time you were giving attention towards the outside, and you didn't look at your own self, own potentialities. So it is a very destructive way of living or seeing. So what should you do? Whenever you get time, you have to have pay attention in your inner potentialities, inner eternality, or inner consciousness, so that that will prosper, that grow, and you can examine yourself, and you can find out your own merits and demerits, and accordingly you are prepared for your any struggle of life. A lot of people, whenever they meet or address any situation, they are always find some kind of struggle, and it is mainly because they don't learn from the situation. They always, it is always for the, when they approach a situation, it is for always for them a first time observation or first time addressing that situation, and in that way sometimes they fall down and sometimes may they prosper. But in all the cases they have to depend on the others, and if someday others say that you are disqualified, dismissed from this, then they are totally devastated on the very moment, because they are left nothing, they have nothing on their backside, on their carriage, and in this way they are destroying, they are pervading their own self, own potentialities, and think that why nature give me so less, why I am become the victim of this nature or of the society. So I think there no one victimize you, no one pray you, but prior to this you don't find any time to finding yourself, to finding your potentiality, so that you grow and prosper yourself, your individuality. So individuality, prospering individuality, and flowering individuality is most essential thing. How many times and how many work you will always depend on someone others, or you always expecting that some outer situation should be changed for you, and then you will have some money in a matter of some prosperity, some dignity, some stage. So it will not, maybe in some one or two situation you find that it is happening, but in all the cases it will not going to happen in that way. And the main factor is sometimes your potentialities don't synchronize with the outer ways, or sometimes what what outer demands, that demands cannot fulfill with your potentialities. And sometimes happens you have something skill in other field, but they want something other. So in that way, but in both the cases we should not get disappointed, because it is the way of life, the versatility, the dark and the light is the way of life. But we should know the when the dark demands more, when the light demands more, and in that way accordingly we have to carry it out, we have to take it. Otherwise all the time we find some struggle, all the times we find someone who I am or you are inflict or say that because for this situation, because for that situation, because for this person, because for this society, I am not able to do, they are not giving me that much of opportunity. It is not opportunity, it is because of unfinding of your true nature. Thank you.